Greetings, garden enthusiasts. Today we're exploring the vibrant world of Coreopsis verticillata, a dazzling perennial that brings a burst of color to gardens far and wide. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into the captivating world of garden design. Coreopsis verticillata, commonly known as threadleaf coreopsis or world tickseed, is a delightful perennial plant known for its airy and finely textured foliage. Native to North America, this plant thrives in prairies, meadows, and open woodlands. An interesting fact about Coreopsis verticillata is its delicate, fern-like leaves that give it a feathery appearance, adding a unique texture to gardens. While threadleaf Coreopsis is primarily grown for its ornamental value, it doesn't have significant documented medicinal uses or notable nutrient values. It is, however, a favorite among pollinators, especially butterflies, making it a valuable addition to wildlife-friendly gardens. In terms of companion planting, Coreopsis verticillata can be strategically placed to attract beneficial insects and provide a burst of color. Its native range spans from eastern North America to the central United States, showcasing its adaptability to various climates. With its long blooming period and low maintenance nature, threadleaf Coreopsis is a popular choice for gardeners looking to enhance the visual appeal of their landscapes. This perennial thrives in well-drained soil with full sunlight. It is relatively low maintenance, requiring regular watering and good air circulation. Maintaining a consistent moisture level and deadheading spent blooms are crucial for its well-being. Coreopsis verticillata adapts well to borders, rock gardens, and containers, bringing a burst of color to your outdoor oasis. Thank you for joining us on this garden journey. Don't forget to explore our other videos and subscribe for more delightful content. Farewell and happy gardening.